But here is a twist. There are actually two goals here. The first one is to fit all the parts in such a way that you will see only this red color wood through the openings. And the second one will be to reorganize the parts in such a way that you will see only the dark color wood. If you like the MINIMA 9 puzzle and you wanna try to solve it, you can get it at puzzlemaster.ca, and don't forget to subscribe if you wanna see more videos from Puzzle Master. And now I will show you how to solve the puzzle. So first of all, I'll arrange the parts in the correct way. In this case, you will be able to see only this red color wood. So now fit the parts inside. That is actually one of the easiest solutions in the whole series. You put a piece like that, then you rotate it using this opening and put it here. Then you drop this dark color piece here. Then you drop this single cube in here. And then there are only two parts left. One goes here, another one goes on top. And the puzzle is solved. As you can see, you see only the red color wood through all the openings. The second solution will be a little bit different, since now you have to fit the parts in such a way that you see only the dark color parts. So this one will be like that. This one will be like that. This one is here, this one is here, and this one is here on top. Yeah. Now we have to figure out the way how to fit parts inside. Again, we will start probably with this piece, put it inside exactly the same way and rotate it once. Then you grab this piece, put it inside like that, and then rotate it 90 degrees. Let's try to do it like that. And stick it out of here. Or maybe you have just to drop it. No, I think that you have to stick it out like that. Then what we have, the dark color wood. So then it goes, this piece goes in here. This goes in here. Now we put this dark color piece here and drop here. And the last piece goes inside. And the puzzle is solved. As you can see, we have only dark color wood in all of the openings of the frame. And if you like this one and you want to try the rest of the puzzles from MINIMA series, go to puzzlemaster.ca.